to Science Chapter 10, Part 2, Review Game. Okay, so this is a great way to prepare for the test. This is the second half of the chapter. Some questions to practice what you know and show off everything that you learned so far. Okay, so let's start out with just listing the planets that are closest to the sun on out. So there are 8 planets in total. All right, so the planet the closest to the sun, that would be Mercury. And then next to Mercury, a little further out away from the sun, is Venus, and then Earth. Earth is the third furthest from the sun. After Earth comes Mars. Now those are the inner planets. Then the outer planets continue away from the sun with Jupiter, then Saturn, then Uranus, then Neptune being the furthest away from the sun. So keep all those choices in mind for the questions. Okay, question number 1. Which of those 8 planets makes sense for this? The planet that is the smallest and the closest to the sun. Yes, that's Mercury. Excellent job. Mercury is the smallest and the closest to the sun. Next question. The only planet with liquid water and an atmosphere that allows life. That's Earth. That's Earth. That's where we live. Excellent job. Next one. The planet that is the hottest and surrounded by clouds. Which planet is that? Yes, that's Venus. Great job. And the 4th question. The red planet. Which one is the red planet? Yes, that's Mars. Great job. I have 4 more questions for you. We have 4 planets left. So think which one makes the most sense for these clues. Number 5, the planet best known for its rings. Which planet is best known for those rings? Yes, Saturn. I knew you knew it. Okay, next question. The planet farthest from the sun. The farthest away from the sun. What planet is that? Neptune, yes. Neptune is the furthest from the sun. Wonderful. Number 7, the planet that is the largest and has a red spot. The largest and has a red spot. That would be Jupiter. Great job, Jupiter. And number 8, the planet that spins like a top on its side. Which planet? That is Uranus. Excellent job. 1 through 8, wonderful, wonderful. We have a couple other questions for you as well. Here they are. Okay, to fill in the blanks, the 4 inner planets are called blank planets. Rocky planets, yes, the inner planets are called rocky planets. Great jobs. The 4 outer planets are called what? What are the 4 outer planets called? Gas giants, yes. The 4 outer planets are called gas giants. Wonderful. Okay, I would like, this is a tough one. This is a long answer question. You're going to think of 3 different examples. So you're going to explain 3 ways that God designed Earth for living things. So try to think of 3 different ways that God designed Earth for living things. Take your time, pause it if you need to. Pause the video if you want. ways that God designed the earth for living things are, number one, God designed the earth with an atmosphere and liquid water. The earth is the only planet that has that. Number two, God placed earth at exactly the right distance from the sun so it is not too hot or too cold for living things. And number three, God made earth to rotate at a perfect speed so the temperature is not too hot or too cold as well. So hopefully you knew one of those three, and maybe even two of those three, but by tomorrow, by the test, I'm sure you'll know all three of those. Great job, and you did wonderful. You're going to do wonderful on the test tomorrow, and have a great one. Have a great day.